Okay, the next one is an 8 count. So you're gonna watch, it's gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 8. So it starts like Heaven 6. Well, it actually starts like the 4 count. So if I go 1, 2, 3, and 4, remember that. 1, 2, 3, 4, but then just go uppercut, 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 uppercut. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's like the 4 count, but I'm just not chambering on that 4th position. 1, 2, 3, 4. Upper, 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 upper. All right, so inward, backhand, backhand, inward, uppercut, backhand, uppercut, forehand, uppercut, backhand, uppercut, and forehand. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8.